RGF production.
For me, boy, yeah. 1738. I'm like, hey, what's up, hello? Since you're pretty, soon as you came in the door, I just wanna
Alright, give me a countdown.
Go.
Oh, ran out. The scariest place in DGS gotta be downstairs by the weight room. If you like walk all the way down the hallway and then like turn left, like by that like I don't even know what it's called, but the ramp that like goes out, that exit ramp, that little like there's like concrete walls, it's dark in there. Don't go there.
I like math class. Like the hallway that goes down into the pool, and it's kind of like an L, and it's kind of dark sometimes, and it's a little like run down, I would say, but like it's just dark, and it's kind of, I don't know, it's kind of creepy a little bit.
I don't know which room it is, but wherever I had to take my permit test, because we had to go up some murder stairs, into a murder hallway, into a murder room. I remember we walked in, the lights wouldn't turn on, so it was dark, and I'm like, I have to take my permit test in the dark, but yeah, and I don't know where it is. I'm fully convinced it's not real. I made it all up.
In 10 years. Are we actually? Oh, is this like rolling?
It's rolling, yeah.
Like, let's go. Okay, let's go.
So what will you be doing in 10 years?
Okay, Kate. In 10 years, hopefully I will be in a city somewhere, maybe on the East Coast.
Yeah.
How old will I be? I'll be like,
How old are you now?
I'm 17.
So at 10?
I will be 27.
27.
I feel like I was like gonna say I might be married, but I don't know if that's
She's
like,
gonna be married.
We'll see.
She's gonna be
We'll
married
see.
and having one child.
Yeah, honestly, maybe it's no. I feel like
Kate, are
that's
you sure that
really
isn't your
early.
dream?
I feel like wait, is 27 early or no?
27 is early to have kids.
Yeah, no, I don't want kids that early. I want to be young and fun. Hopefully, I'll be traveling.
Okay.
Peace out.
In 10 years, I hope to have like traveled a lot of the world, maybe settle down, like get a good job for the family.
Years, I think I'm gonna be married with kids, really rich, hopefully have like a dog, and live somewhere not in Illinois, very far away.
In 10 years, I'll be an EMT.
In 10 years, I will hopefully be graduated from college and traveling the world.
Alright, in 10 years, I'll be building rockets.
In 10 years, at 27, I see myself becoming a plastic surgeon or possibly a podiatric surgeon. They work on feet. Don't question it. But I hope to go into medicine and finish med school by then and just be able to help people out.
In 10 years, I hope to be a successful woman who lives in a big house on a farm.
Kimberly Torres, what is the best part of being a Mustang Way Access leader?
Getting to deliver Mustang Ways with my friends.
The best part about playing soccer here at South is probably just the team environment. I see them more as like a family. They're kind of like my brothers. And the coaches taught me so much throughout the 4 years, and I'm just grateful to learn so much.
DGS cross country is so great because it feels like a family. Everyone is so close, and it's such a great environment where everyone is motivating each other to strive for success and thrive together.
What is the best part of doing math team at DGS?
I mean, you get to learn. I've noticed actually that my problem solving skills with math have improved tremendously because of math team, because I'm just used to curveball questions that you get in the math team packets, right? And seeing the questions and you're just trying to problem solve and figure out a way to get to the answer. And that's helped tremendously actually just in math class in general and in other classes that are based around problem solving.
What is the best part of playing football at DGS?
I'd probably say the coaches and playing with teammates you love since freshman year. So.
What is so great about DGS yearbook?
Probably, I like the class and the community we build. There's the class of about 20-ish people, and then we get to all talk to each other, work on each other with different things, and you get to know a lot about what's going on at the school just because it's stuff we have to cover, it's stuff we write stories about, and you get to know little things that every student does to make our school a whole, but you see it all in one book.
What is your favorite memory from DGS baseball?
When I hit 3 home runs in one game.
My question for you today is,
who was responsible for the decision of a politically correct spirit assembly?
So I would say that the thing is that we got these amazing new video boards, right? And so we were accurately posting the points of the class activities that happened during the lunchroom, and then also during the gym, like what happened there. And so at the end of the day, when we added all the points, it was so close, but the juniors actually won.
Ms. Martinez, how does it feel to know that you have disappointed an entire generation as well as a young?
I know. So I think it's a challenging question because like we're just having fun in the Spirit Assembly. It's so exciting. Tug of war is an amazing tradition. There's so many fun things. It is like my favorite assembly ever. And so honestly, going into the gym, like I told the seniors, many seniors, not all seniors, but many seniors, like you can't just expect like you're gonna win. Like you have to want it and you have to like work for it, right? But I still expected at the end that the seniors were gonna stay to take a selfie with me.
Get up, what it is, what it does, what it is, what it isn't. Looking for a better way to get up out of bed instead of getting on the internet and checking a new hit. Get up, first shot, hip strut walking. A little bit of humble, a little bit of cautious. Somewhere between like Rocky and Cosby's for the game. Nope, nope, y'all can't copy yet. Bad moonwalking, and this here is our party. My posse's been on Broadway, and we did it all way. Chrome music, I shed my skin and put my bones into everything I record to it. And yeah, I'm on. Let that stage light go and shine on down. Got that Bob Barker suit game and Plinko in my style. Money, stay on my craft and stick around for those pounds. But I do that to pass the torch and put on for my town. Trust me, on my INDEPENDENT shit hustling. Chasing dreams since I was 14 with the 4-track bustin'. Halfway across that city with the back crush shit. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give that to the people, spread it across the country. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give it to the people, spread it across the country.
Moving too fast. Hello, welcome to our new series of Sports Bros. My name is Johnny. My name is Danny. And my name is Ryan. That she really wants. We're only getting older, baby. And I've been thinking about it lately. Does it ever drive you crazy? Just how fast the night changes. Everything that you've ever dreamed of disappearing when you wake up. But there's nothing to be afraid of. Even when the night changes, it will never change me and you. Going out tonight changes into something red. Her mother doesn't.
Alright, that's it for the Respect Bowl highlights. We hope you enjoyed watching these highlights, and we'll see you next year for the next season of Mustang Way.
Have a great day, DGS, and remember to be respectful, responsible, and engaged.
It's the Mustang Way.
Do you have to?
wouldn't be so confused, and I wouldn't feel so used. But you always really knew I just wanna be with you, and I mean so deep. You know I'm such a fool for you. You got me wrapped around your finger. Do you have to let it linger? Do you have to? Do you have to? Do you have to let it linger?
One last time, this is Sebastian Blanco.
And this is Juliana Conyer.
Have a tenacious Tuesday, and remember to be respectful, responsible, and engaged.
It's the Mustang way.
Drink you spilled all over me. Lovers spit left on repeat. My mom and dad let me stay home. It drives you crazy getting old. We can talk it so good, we can make it so divine. We can talk it good, how you wish it would be all the time. The drink you spill all over me.